Hello, my name is Ira, and I will be your teacher today. Today we are talking about yogurt. Do you know yogurt? It is a delicious dairy drink. Okay, let's take a look at our words to know, focusing on the most important. Our first word today is conduct. When scientists or researchers conduct a study, they are directing or organizing the study. They are following through, they're studying and putting it together, conducting a study. In the story, scientists conduct a study on spoons and the taste of yogurt. Moving on, we have affect. Affect is a verb meaning to change the condition of something, to have an effect. In the story, the size and color of spoon affects the taste of the yogurt. Remember, this is a verb, affect. Okay, moving on to flavor. Flavor is how something tastes. This can range from salty, spicy, sweet, and sour. How things taste on your tongue are the flavor. Okay, we have participant. A participant is someone who participates or takes part in an event, or in this story, a study. In the story, participants take part in a study on yogurt and spoon color. Okay, next word, we have lightweight. Lightweight is a word meaning not heavy or very light in weight. We also have the word entirely. Entirely is going to mean completely or fully, all the way. Psychological is a word meaning to do with your mind. We have physical having to do with the body, psychological has to do with the mind. In the study, the spoon's color has a psychological effect on the taste of yogurt. Be fooled is going to mean tricked. If you are fooled, you are tricked into believing something false. Okay, let's take a look at our story. A spoon that makes yogurt taste better. Okay, let's focus on the most important sentences. We'll narrow it down to the second sentence. Interestingly, it has been revealed that yogurt tastes different depending on which spoons you use. Okay, so let's find out about how this comes into play. Why do we know that yogurt tastes different according to the spoons that you use? Well, there are researchers conducting a study. The researchers conducted taste tests to study if what the spoons are made of affects the taste of yogurt. Do you think this is true? First, the researchers gave yogurt to a group of test subjects, but didn't let them know what they all had the same flavor. Then, the participants tasted the yogurt with different kinds of spoons. Interestingly, the participants thought that yogurt tasted better when eating with a silver spoon than with a plastic spoon. Okay. Also, they thought that it tasted better with lighter spoons, lightweight plastic spoons, than spoons that weigh more or that are heavier. Okay. Do you think the color of a spoon will have an effect on the taste of the yogurt? Well, let's find out. In a different study, it turned out that the color of the spoon is also related to the taste of the yogurt. People thought yogurt tasted sweeter when eating from white plastic spoons, and the least sweet when eating from black spoons. So don't eat your yogurt from black spoons if you like a sweet taste. Okay, now, do you think the color and weight of a spoon really affects the taste of a yogurt? Do you think this is a physical effect? Actually, no, they don't. The effect is entirely psychological. Do you remember psychological? This means it is in your head. It is only in your mind. It means that our brains are fooled by the appearance of objects such as spoons of colors and think it tastes better or worse. Remember, fooled meaning tricked. Our brains, our psychology is fooled by the size, weight, and color of a spoon. So next time you eat yogurt, be sure you choose your spoon well. Thank you. That is our lesson today.